Hey guys, welcome to my channel Pinto Vinay Cuisine. Hope you all are doing good. And this is another recipe for Christmas. So as we all are getting ready, in this video I'm going to show how to make kormolas. In order to make kormolas, I've taken 300 grams of flour, maida, 50 grams of semolina, sugar 150 grams. What you have to do is, with the help of a mixer, powder it, and half a teaspoon of salt. Mix all the ingredients together. Now in order to knead, we need 3 egg yolk, ghee 2 tablespoons, and coconut milk is just to knead the dough. Guys, check the recipe properly. The dough you don't need too soft and too hard as well. Check the dough. Once the dough is ready, what you have to do is cover the dough and let it rest for 1 hour. So once after 1 hour, take the dough, make them in small pieces. You can make two or either three. I've made two. In order to roll, just make it in round shape and keep the dough ready. Dust some flour and we need to roll. Check the thickness, guys. This is very important. We don't need too thin and we don't need too thick as well. Now with the help of a knife, just cut straight. So we need to cut them in diamond. You can also use a round cutter. If you have a round cutter, that is even better. Once you cut them straight, cut them in diamond shape.
Wishing our YouTube family a blessed Christmas and Happy New Year. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you.
Check this, guys. Check the thickness of the dough. You need to shape them like this. This is the way you have to make kormolas. Like this, you finish all the dough, make them and keep it on the side. Press both the ends and keep them tight. Check the shape. This is how you have to make and keep them aside. Now what you have to do is keep the oil hot in order to fry them. If kormolas, it should be crispy. That's the main reason I've used semolina in that. Semolina gives you crispiness. And guys, check the videos properly. Now with a very low temperature, you need to fry them. If you keep the temperature high and the oil is too hot, what will happen is it will just get color and this will remain soft from inside. So that is the reason you have to keep the oil on a very low flame and fry it up till they have become brown in color. Check this out. I check the video properly and make kormolas at home. Thanks for watching my video and God bless you all. Thank you very much.